Finally, the Falke device was launched from the German company Vogel, which everyone has been waiting for a long time, which is the deepest and most accurate for detecting metals and deep treasures. The device is equipped with the latest detection technologies and advanced systems, which the Vogel Research Center has worked on in cooperation with the MWF Group for many years. This video includes a detailed explanation of the device and includes the following: device features and technologies, device parts and accessories, how to install and uninstall, keyboard and control interface, how to operate and set up, in addition to realistic experiments showing the ability and capabilities of the Falke metal detector and accurately identifying them at great depths and unprecedented in this type of device. Features of the device and the technologies it contains. The Falke device works with the UAF system. It is a new technology that adopts ultra-compliant search frequencies built into the ultra-low frequency system UVLF to detect gold, metals, and caves with high accuracy, with the feature of distinguishing between targets and isolating unwanted targets. Through the 5-inch screen, you can browse the systems and access the search options in an easy and fast way. It contains 4 different systems that give the user wide options in multiple ways to ensure the presence and type of the target. The device can adapt and calibrate accurately in all types of soils, even if they are rocky and mountainous. Through the process of accurate analysis of the type of soil, where it can determine the target with high accuracy and exclude non-precious metals with the feature of setting a mask to ignore unwanted targets. You can reach unprecedented depths with the Falke device. Device parts and accessories. A bag for keeping and carrying the device, the main unit of the device. Cover to protect the main unit and unit carrying straps. Search coil 45 cm DD. Search coil 33 cm DD. The shaft for carrying the coil. Armrest casing. Headphones. The electric charger. 3 years warranty card. Tutorials mini DVD. User's guide. Installation method. First, install the main unit protection cover and connect it with the carrying straps. Opening the shaft and install the coil in this way. Then connect the search coil cable with the main unit via the socket. After that, turn on the device and hold it in this way. Keypad and control interface. On and off switch. Enter button, OK. Navigation keys. Back keys. Short key for calibration. Pin pointer key. Pause key. How to operate and set up. First, turn on the device via the power key. The Falke logo will appear during the loading of the operating system. Note: when you turn on the device and have not connected the coil, A message will appear on the screen stating that the coil must be connected. Connect the coil and restart the device again. Then the main menu will appear. Adjust the device through the Settings menu, where you can select the volume level and screen brightness level. Choose the language of use, as the device contains 6 basic languages: English, French, Spanish, Russian, Arabic, German, and you can reset all options through factory settings easily. We move to the Search menu, from which you can choose Search Settings or Search Modes. Search Settings. You can turn on or off the iron isolate feature. Then select sensitivity level according to the type of soil and the nature of the land. In addition to specifying the calibration pattern, automatic or manual. Automatic calibration method. Follow the instructions on the screen, where you must raise the search coil to the ground level by 35 centimeters, then press OK. Then raise the device to a height of 10 centimeters and press OK again. Repeat the process until you see the message calibration has been completed. The number of the displayed value expresses the determination of the sensitivity level of the coil for soil after analyzing its components, where the calibration process has been carried out perfectly between the values of 240 and 270. Press OK to finish the calibration process. Manual calibration method. Raise the soil search coil by 10 cm and move it up, and then lower it to a height of 10 cm while changing the calibration value in this way until the percentage becomes 0, with the process repeated in order to obtain the zero magnetic harmonic of the soil surface. Then press OK to finish the calibration process. You can do the calibration while you're searching by pressing the shortcut calibration key as we see. Device search method. The correct way to carry the device is as we see. The device is 5 cm high from the soil, and we comb the target area by moving the search coil according to the search pattern, slowly or quickly, while keeping the parallelism of the search coil with the soil and keeping the sufficient distance as shown in the video. Search mode. First, graph mode, through which you can search for metals or caves, and this is a slow and accurate search mode. The results appear in this style in a graphical way that expresses the type of target and the extent of its signal strength with sound alerts. Second, treasures mode. This mode shows you the type of the detected target, caves and mineral, valuable target, gold, zinc, or worthless target, through sound alerts and on-screen graphs. Third, coins mode. This mode is a quick search pattern, as it detects buried coins and determines their type with high accuracy. Through it, you can operate or exclude a certain type of metal on demand, such as valuable metals, gold, zinc, or worthless metals as we see. This style is also equipped with a pinpointer feature. You can activate this feature through the pinpoint keys on the keypad. Pinpointer, which gives you accurate identification of the target point. Fourth, depth mode. Through this pattern, you can determine the depth of the target that was discovered through the previous patterns, where you must slowly scan the area in which the target is located in this way and measure the distance since the beginning of the sensing and alert until the sensing and alarm stops. Then enter the resulting distance on the screen show with centimeters. The device analyzes the information and shows the result of the expected depth. Now we will do a practical experiment that shows the depths at which the Falke device detects target. We now see a target from a medium-sized copper vessel that was placed at a distance of more than 2 meters. And we note from the readings of the device that the target was detected easily, and its type was distinguished with high accuracy through the readings displayed on the screen and alerting sounds. To be completely sure, our team conducted another experiment in an area containing soil different from the previous experiment, where our team dug a hole at a depth of 1.5 meters and buried a piece of copper in it, as we can see. Then we refilled the hole and returned to the site after about 2 weeks to test the detection in front of you. And we are now calibrating the device with the soil as shown. Now we will detect and see if our device will be able to detect the target or not. We note that the Falke device detected our copper target and accurately determined its type. Finally, we advise you to have an exciting experience with the Falke device and start hunting for deep treasures in achieving your dreams. Thank you for watching. Wait for us in a new video to learn about the new and distinctive MWF and Vogel devices. Do not forget to subscribe us on YouTube and activate the bell button to stay updated.